Hey guys, welcome back in the course. So far we have done really nice and really simple. You can see simple nice layout which has a form, a login form, a sign up form. Just I changed the text to today, sign up today, and really nice picture. But we just forgot to add a one more attribute because later on we cannot add that because we will be busy in creating other things, other scripts and other PHP work, which is required HTML attribute. So we'll add that to this sign up login form and sign up form. After that, in this lecture, in the same lecture, we will create the footer as well. So the HTML required attribute, which is always added to the input input tag, with same like required is equal to required. Simple. So what does this attribute do is actually it will not submit the form, or it will not allow the user to submit the form if that is empty. So this is necessary. I have just copied that and will also paste that here, and will paste it into all the other inputs, like this one, like this one, like this one as well, and this one as well, and this as well. For the birthday we don't need that. Now Control S to save again. Now if someone is just clicking this, it will say please fill out this field, because this is an HTML5 attribute and will not submit the form. And same for this, you can see it will say please fill out, without filling anything, without entering any filling all these inputs, so the form will not be submitted. And this is the beauty of HTML5, through which you can save your time. So this is the first validation we did for these two forms. The first validation, because if someone clicked this button or this one, so the form would be submitted, but now without entering the values, the form will not be submitted. Now let's create the footer as well. So I will just, after this content area, I will add one more div, and ID of this div will be footer, and this div will be inside the div tag. I will add h2 tag, and will say copyrights, or I can add the copyright sign, HTML code, which is simple. Copyright HTML code, just will write because I have forgot that. And this is the code. Let's say this is paste that here. Copyright www.onlinetuting.com, copyrights 2015 www. Okay, h2 close then. So just go to the style.css file and create one more last ID for footer, and let's say width of this will be the same. No, width will be 100 px. No, width is 100%, and height will be something like 40 pixels, but padding will be 10 px, and background color will be the same. We have k1 to the head wrap. Basically we'll copy this from there, we'll add it here, sorry, paste it here, and border will be border 5px solid brown. So that is it. Now just go there refresh the page and see what happens. This is simple. So I need to say not all the borders but only border top, and we will now remove the height which we had given to the where we had given the height 600, I think, something. To container or where? Okay, we have given the height to nowhere. Oh, this is the content, so we will remove this. So just for testing, I will remove and refresh, and you can see, oh sorry, that has come on the top, so we need to add one more property. We need to declare one more property in CSS, which is clear at both. The value will be both. So clear means the above styles and the plots will be cleared on the footer. So just refresh again and come here to see the nice text here with the copyright sign. So this is the footer basically. Now for the H2 tag inside the footer, we can do a little bit like footer H2 tag. We will say okay, make it text align center and padding top 30 px, and color would be brown. Control S to save, press the page, and you can see it's here. You can make it color color white. Okay, that's it. So looking nice, simple and beautiful. The home page of this whole system. Again minus, you can see this is not, if you zoom or zoom out, it is looking the same. I mean the CSS is okay for this site or this page. So now the next thing now we can do is to just validate this form and then insert the data into the tables, or I mean the database, and sign up the user basically. But here we have completed the basic layout for this whole project, and I have designed it in front of you, so you guys should also practice this. But now the time is to validate. But after this video, because we have completed the first section of creating this whole layout, now in the next lecture we'll first talk about creating the database and tables for this project. So we if we already have the tables, then it would be easy for us to later on work on validating and getting the data from this form using PHP and JQuery etc. So in the next lecture I will tell you what will be the structure of the tables and the database we need for this project, so your minds will be clear more about this. See you in the next lecture in next section.